Here at UAV Industries, our aim is to make you the best pilot you can be. If you're excited, we're excited. The training course is divided into 2 parts: a full week of classroom training, followed by exams and proficiency tests. And if you're a novice pilot, some radio control familiarization in a safe indoor environment with Drone Racing Africa. Once you've conquered the basics, you will journey to an outdoor training area to practice flying in the real world. Here, you will grow as a pilot, eventually completing your final examination with a qualified instructor, releasing you to conquer the skies.